Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a QR code to your Wix website. This is incredibly useful if you want to provide quick access to links, contact information, or special offers right from your site. And if you're looking to get started with Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below to begin building your website. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your site settings. From here, take a moment to preview your website settings and make absolutely sure this is the website where you want to add your QR code. It's always good to double-check, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. Now, locate the Edit Site button at the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned right beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and click on it. This will direct you into the Wix website editor screen where you can start making changes to your site's design and content. Before we add anything to the site itself, we need to create the QR code first. Open a new browser tab and navigate to qrcode.io. This is where we'll generate the QR code you want to use. Once you're on the site, you'll see various types of QR codes available, including website URL, PDF, list of links, vCard, and many other options. For this tutorial, we'll keep it simple and use a website QR code. Under the website URL field, enter the web address you want your QR code to link to. Once you've entered it, click on Next. You'll now be taken to the QR design page where you can customize how your code looks. You can add a frame with text below it by simply typing what you want to appear in the frame text field. You can also customize the QR pattern, adjust the corners, or even add a logo to make it more branded. Once you're happy with the design, click on Create. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your email address so the QR code can be sent directly to you. Enter your email and within moments you should receive it. Open that email and download the QR code to your computer. Make sure you remember where it's saved so you can easily locate it in the next step. With your QR code downloaded, head back to your Wix website editor. On the left navigation menu, locate and click on the Add Element button. The menu will expand, showing you a comprehensive list of all the elements you can use to customize your website. From this list, find and click on the image element, then select Upload Images. A media window will pop up with several options. Click on Upload from Computer. A file browser will appear, allowing you to navigate through your folders. Locate the QR code image that you just created and downloaded, then click Open. Once the upload finishes, simply click on Add to Page and your QR code will be placed directly onto your website page. You can now resize it, reposition it, and place it wherever it makes the most sense for your visitors. And that's it. You've successfully added a QR code to your Wix website, giving your visitors a quick and easy way to access whatever link or content you've embedded. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.